My video is about getting rid of the malicious pop-up windows that come from the site Boot-upintenselylatestinfo-file.info. This is a website that displays fake Chrome update alerts. Some people may pretty suddenly see these deceptive pop-ups, but keep in mind that it is a mistake to interact with these fake alerts. Boot-upintenselylatestinfo-file.info actually is a deceptive site. It is a mistake to install anything that this website suggests. It tells you to add a special extension for Chrome as a part of some fake update, but installing such extensions is risky. Because of that, your browser may be hijacked with fake search engines, or sometimes the browser may be infected with adware type extensions. Anyway, if any third-party extensions were mistakenly added, access the menu of your Chrome, go to More Tools, then Extensions, disable and remove any third-party extensions if you find them. I also recommend that you investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.